I'm trying to install example software, but my computer won't let me. Because of ThreatLocker. The program needs to be verified before it's allowed to run on your computer. But it's quite annoying, and I don't like that it gets in my way. Why is it important? That's a good question, and I know it can be inconvenient, but it's necessary to keep your organization safe from phishing attacks and malware. But what is ThreatLocker? ThreatLocker is a zero-trust security platform that works to keep you and your organization safe from malicious actors. Unlike a traditional antivirus that tries to remedy an attack after it occurs, ThreatLocker works to prevent the attack before it even happens. The way they achieve this is that ThreatLocker assumes that no program is safe unless told otherwise. This gives IT a chance to vet and review each program before it's allowed to run. This process keeps ransomware and Trojans off your computer to keep your work running smoothly and safely. So, how can I get the access to the programs that I need? You can submit a request for us to review the application, and you can include a message about what the application is for and what its purpose is. Once the request is submitted, it will be reviewed by a member of our team, at which point you'll be notified if the program was approved or blocked. Due to the difficulty of securing complicated software, it's generally advised to acquire software ahead of time. Though, we know certain things can't wait. If you need immediate access to software, we can place your computer in learning mode. This can be enabled to let ThreatLocker learn certain applications and prevent them from being leveraged maliciously in the future. And as always, if you have any questions, we're just a call away at 936-931-7977.